Hello, my name is Ahmet Faruk Kılıç and I am here for ENG310 lesson, and this is our video assignment. And let me check it. First of all, student name, I already told it. Student department, I am from Fine Arts Faculty and Interior Architecture and Environmental Design Department. What do you believe is your English level of English? I believe my level of English is around B1 or B2 because I think I can understand daily speaking of English or basic grammar of English, but I believe I need to improve my uh, academic academic English, and also I need to focus on uh, profession English type. I am, as you know, I am an interior architecture student, so maybe I need to some focus on architectural English grammar. Okay, how will English be beneficial for you in the future? Uh, I hope if I graduated from Izmir Economic University, as you know, I will be an architecture and also a designer. So the architecture and design is uh, the same for all world, and it's working on all world. And I might be work in Europe or America or Asia. We don't know, and maybe I might have a customers from all around the world, and I need to talk with them. I need to solve their problems. I need to know what they want from me, why they want in a interior. So this is the most important part, I guess, about my future English. Select two or three items from the topic. Okay, I'll just gonna answer the first three. I don't know what they are, but let's see. Hometown. Okay, I am from Istanbul, Sarıyer, Bahçeköy, and I guess it's a very special place for Istanbul because uh, when I say Istanbul, most of people think the large and long buildings and the maybe cars and traffic and city gases and this type of things. But I was far from above because the Başakköy is a very special place and it's covered by all Belgrade forest, and it's very into nature place, and you can just go forest Belgrade forest by walking about maybe 10 minutes maximum. So it was very natural for me and for my childhood, so I love there actually. um, the second question: why did you choose your department at Izmir Economic University? Why did I choose it? Because when I decide what should I choose for a department, and I was checked the all profession list, and I was making when I making this decide, uh, I just started to draw something, characters and illustrations, and I realized I really liked drawing something. And then my also ex-girlfriend was a architecture student at Yıldız Teknik University, so I checked her works too while studying in Yıldız Teknik University. So I really liked what they are doing while studying. So I wanted to be creating something too. So I chose it, and I'm very happy with it. Uh, the third question is, what are your interests or hobbies? Hocam, I don't know, do you remember, but I told you at our first lesson, I'm into a game modeling or creating some assets for computer games. After I started my department at Izmir, I realized I can create game assets with the same software program I'm using to create interior architecture assets, like maybe tables or cupboards or just chairs. or something like that, I realized I also can make some game assets, like maybe characters, maybe environment, maybe swords and shields, or anything you can imagine. So I first of all I turned my face to game industry and I wanted to be in it, but nowadays I turn my face back to interior because I guess I can make some. Actually, I can make money easier from this way. So I'm nowadays I'm focusing on interior again, and that's all, I guess. See you tomorrow at the class, hocam. Have a nice day and night.